Good afternoon, Dr. David Polsky. How are you?
I'm great, Dr. Wang. Nice to see you.
Since you and I known each other for a long, long time, and I'm just going to call you Dave. Please call
I
me
I,
Steve.
I prefer that. Exactly, Steve. Okay, great.
So we got another great treat for all the audience out there, and I have the distinct pleasure of welcoming Dr. David Polsky, who is an Alfred Koff Professor of Dermatological Oncology and also the Professor of Dermatology Pathology at the NYU, New York University School of Medicine. And he also served as a Vice Chair for Research in the Ronald Perlman Department of Dermatology. He has a strong clinical interest of taking care of patients with melanoma, atypical nevi, and the skin cancer. Now, in addition to seeing patients, Dr. Polsky is also a physician scientist where he has his own research lab. We're going to talk about some of the great things that he's doing in his lab. And he's also the founding member for the Society of Melanoma Research and a member of the American Association for Cancer Research. And he's also the chair of the research grants committee for the Skin Cancer Foundation. He had published more than 100 papers, so the accolades goes on and on and on. So David, thank you so much for joining us on the Beating Melanoma Project. Welcome.
It's my pleasure, Steve. Glad to see that you're updating this with all the great new things that have happened since you started this project years ago.
Yeah, it's amazing what transpired in the last 12, 14 years.